Okay, go ahead. Open it up.
No, I'm not Santa.
Tell us what it is. What is it, Amelia?
A dollhouse.
No. I thought you didn't get one.
I said I would.
What is it?
A dollhouse.
No way.
Mama, give her a hand.
Eddie,
Back a little bit.
Okay.
he said a dollhouse.
Keep doing what you
And then an okay.
Okay, I got a bag out here for the garbage too.
I think this box is what I think it is. This cereal was in the glass.
Mia, let's see.
Open
You
it.
like it?
Yeah. And tape on it.
Is that what you want Santa to bring you?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Smile. Turn around. Smile.
Okay, smile. What do you say? Can you see Santa?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all.
And what do you say to Santa?
Merry